Got it.
Whoa. You gonna get me. You gonna get me.
Okay, I might not do it so good. Don't get mad at me.
Don't get close to him. Stay behind me. You'll catch everything then.
Alright. Hey. I keep going behind you.
Come on, Gooch. This way, Gooch. Come on. Come on, Gooch. Come this way.
Hey, you see the little doggy over here? Uh-oh. I got that. Hee. Uh-oh. See the little doggy. Little dude! It's coming.
Little dude, he keeps his distance. He's a sneaky little crap.
There you go. And there you see this beast. He knows she on the leash, so he trying to go far.
Yeah.
But at least can't scratch.
You got a little dude coughing like that?
Yep.
Cool.
I got him when he was coughing over there. That's when I went up, and then I saw Gucci running. I turned that way towards her.
Dude, come on. Come on, dude. Come over here, little dude. Come on. Come on, little dude.
See the little doggy's running. No, my goodness. Thank you. You saved my life.
You got that hard thumping?
Yep.
That's what I want to see. I want to see hard thumping and muscles.
Got that.
Grit. That's what I want to see.
The beast is taking a break, you guys.
Y'all Gucci rares up. She's ready to pounce.
Yeah, she's sneaking up on something like
Yep.
you.
You getting it?
Yep.
All right. Little dude, come on. Come on, boy. Come on. Come on, little dude. Come on. Come here, boy. Come on. Come on, little dude.
See the little doggy's running, and she's coming.
You got that slide you just done? She's waiting in anticipation for her prey now.
I go over here, pay she right quick.
She's in poise again for her prey. Let's walk back up this way, y'all. Back toward the car. Come on, little dude. Come on.
Gucci.
Go on up here and play. You're getting further and further away.
I gotta get over here. You might see you in a couple shots. I had to keep.
Pause it for a minute.